Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use blend command is discussed here. Okay, today wireframe and surface design lecture, all 3D commands is one by one is discussed here, and today discuss here a blend command. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a blend command and use in CATIA. Okay, and this is a blend command how to easily use in CATIA. Today lecture is learn here. At first drawing a any plane and draw a any sketch, and then use a blend command in CATIA. Okay, at first drawing a line, and line is a drawing a simple drawing a line. Okay, and exit. Okay, and use at first use a extrude command, and then use a this command, and this line is a okay, and exit. Okay, and this command is this is a surface. Okay, and this line is a hide, and this line is a okay, this is a surface line. Okay, and then then use a offset command, and this plane is a offset, and this is a offset command is a this is a correct. Okay, this body is offset here, and then use a okay, this two color is a property is colorful. Then at first choose a color, then use a this command. Okay, this is a perfect color. Okay, two body a separate color is change here, separate color is a you can see here, and then use a blend command. Okay, this is a blend command, and first curve and first support, second curve and second support. At first use a first curve use, and then use a second. Okay, then first curve you select here, and second curve is a select here, both curve is select here, and then preview is showing here. Okay, this is a blend. Okay, this body is a blend here, and next is a this okay, this body is a, and at first click here, and first curve is select here this, and second curve is a this, and then preview is showing here. Okay, this is a blend. Okay, all body, and again this first curve is a this, and second is a this. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, this is a correct, and this body is a open, and this is a correct. Zoom in. Okay, zoom out, zoom in, and this is a zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is a correct, and this face is also color is a separate, and this is a color is a okay, this color. Okay, this color is a red. Okay, this color. Okay, all is a separate color. Okay, and this body is isometric. Okay, and blend curve is used, and this curve is also use a close body. Okay, and also open a this body, and blend curve is used. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, guys, guys, blend curve is discussed here, and next lecture is coming soon. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and carefully. Get any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.